Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 11.2. Draw a circle of the radius 6 cm. So by the 6 cm of radius we will draw a circle. That is a 6 cm radius. From a point 10 cm away. From a point 10 cm away from its center, construct their pair of tangent. So from the 10 cm away, that is a 10 cm away, that O, we can write any P point, and then draw the tangent and measure also. So we will bisect of that one. It means more than this distance we will take the, more than half of this distance we will take the distance, and then make two arcs, one from here, here, and from here, here. So that is here, and then by here this one, and then join this one, and then put your compass here, and then take distance of this one, half of this one, and then from here you will be draw the circle, inverted circle you will be draw, and this is the tangent point. This is also tangent point, this is the radius. Okay, this is the A, B. So, and after that you will be measure that one also. Measure also that distance. So measurement of that distance will be AP is equal to, that will be approximately, that will be 8 centimeter. After measurement you will be see and then construct a tangent to a circle of a radius 4 centimeter. Construct a tangent to a circle of a radius 4 centimeter from the point of the concentric circle of the radius 6 centimeter. Concentric circle means first of all you will draw the 4 centimeter distance of travel, and then 6 centimeter of this one from the same center, and then we will construct that one. This is the 4 centimeter of distance. Here we will draw the 90-degree angle. So that is a tangent. This is the tangent. Also verify the measure of the actual calculation. So that will be 5 centimeter also. A, B, P, O. By measurement of that, that will be H square is equal to P square plus B square. So that H is 5 square is equal to, that P means 4 centimeter. That will be, we can take AP square plus 4 square. So this is a 25 minus 16 is equal to AP square. So that will be 9 under root AP. So that will be AP is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So AB is equal to double of that one. 2 into 3. So that will be 3 to the 6 centimeter. So the distance length of tangent is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the actual calculation. Question number 3, that is draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So that is a 3 centimeter, and then take 2 point of external diameter of that one. So that center, this is 1 point P and Q. This is a O. This is the 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. And then bisect of this, that will be from this point to arc, from this point to arc, more than half of that one. You will be draw the circle of like this. This is the inverted circle, that will be, and then join this point and this point also. This is the AB. Similarly we will do here. We will bisect of that one, that will be, so that from here you will be draw the circle, and then this is the, this point, and this point, this is the CD. And then fourth question will be draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which is inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So that 4 centimeter. So that is a 4 this is the 5 centimeter of radius. 5 centimeter of radius. We will join this radius, and then on this point we will draw the 160 degree angle. 1, 2, that one 160 degree angle, because that is a 60 degree. So 120 degree we have done here. 120 plus 60, 180 that will be. And then on point this one we will draw the 90 degree angle. And then this one point also we will draw the 90 degree angle. This is the tangent point P. This is the 60 degree. It must become 60 degree. And then A, B. Question number 5. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB of the length 8 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. This can be more. 8 centimeter. And then taking as a as a center, A, B. This will be up to here, A. And then draw a 4 centimeter circle. 4 centimeter of a circle. That is a 4 centimeter. And then from B, that will be 3 centimeter circle. And then construct tangent of each circle from the center of that other side. So we will construct that one also. So first of all, bisect of this one. So that will become like this. And then make a large inverted circle. Large inverted circle. So that is a tangent. A, P, that is a Q, this one tangent from here, and this one also here, P, Q, R, S. These are the tangents. And then the sixth question you will be see here. Sixth question is that let ABC is a right angle triangle at B. So that first of all we will draw a triangle of right angle triangle, that is A, B, C. This is the 90 degree. And then first of all we will draw the 8 centimeter of BC. First of all draw BC, and then here you will be draw the 90 degree angle. And then after you will take the 6 centimeter distance and then put the arc here, that will be 6 centimeter. And then after perpendicular BC at C. So first of all BD is a perpendicular from B that on AC. So you will be take the any distance and then you will be make like this arc, 2 arc, like this 2 arc. And then from these 2 points you will be draw 1 arc and then 1 arc. This is a perpendicular, that is a D point. It means perpendicular means this is a 90 degree angle. The circle through BC D is draw construction or tangent from A. So that first of all we will bisect of this one, BC. Bisect of that will be BC, from B that will be arc, and then from C that will be arc. And then join these two. And then bisect of this one also. So that will become like this. From A point that will be, from this point this will be. And then from there you will draw the circle, or it must be goes to A point. This must be go from A point, that will be, where is the point? This is the point. that will be AB must be tangent. From here also you will be draw a circle. This is a main circle, and then this one will become like this. From A point, B and A, that will be crossed. Okay, or this point is the tangent point of this one. And then last question, that 7th question. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. It means we have not idea the center. We have not the idea of center. And to take a point outside a circle, construct the pair of a tangent from this point to the circle. So we have not center point. So first of all we find the center. So that bisect, that will be similarly one of that one also tangent. You will bisect this one also. Now this is the center point. From center you will be take the any point of that is not given P. So that this one, and then bisect of this line, that will be this one, and then make a inverted circle, and this point is the tangent point A, this point is also tangent point B. It can be here or can be outside also. Okay.